Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to calculate the notes and coin calculation. I am going to enter the salary 45,540. If I click calculate button, here you can see there is 9 notes include 45,000. Okay, in 9 notes. After that, it include 501. So include 501. After that, it include 20 rupees 2 times, it is 40, right? So here it will be included, it will be calculated successfully. Now if you enter the different one, 50, you can see here what are the answer. 1000 include 3 times, so 3000. After that 500 include 1 time and 50 include 1 time, right? Perfect. So how to make the system step by step will teach, right? So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to open the file, new project. I'm going to create new next I've create Java money calculator app. Java money calculator CL cap. Click finish. I'm going to start a new window, right? Now here, if you are not seen my introduction video of how to configure the scenes builder and everything, I attach the link below. You go and have it. You can watch the uh, javafx beginner video, then you will be able to learn how to set the path and all, right? Now here click on the src. Here I'm going to create a two different folders. First package I'm going to create view, so model view architecture. Second package I'm going to create as controller. Right click, I'm going to miss one or refactor. View, select the view folder, new fxml. We are going to create the xml5 over here, the view part, because it's work with the all things are xml in the when you're creating the view, right? So here xml, what you're going to do is here I'm going to create here as money form. Whatever name you are given, you have to write like form, right? It's created successfully. Go to the controller for package, right click new. Here I'm going to create the class which is a money controller, right? Now you go to the view, inside the view money form XML. Here I'm going to give the path of the money controller. So how to give the path? You have to give the path over here, controller dot, because this controller is reside on where money controller. This is a money inside the controller package money controller. You select this one, right? Perfect, right? You are given the path successfully where your controller decided. Now I'm going to make the view. So how to make the view? I already installed and configured the scenes builder. I'm going to open up the scenes builder, right? So before that, what you're going to do is here I'm going to go to select the src. I'm going to new if you have to create type the javafx application. Here I'm going to write app initializer. So app initializer. App initializer. You are get the app initializer. So here I'm going to do the thing is the same thing here, right? Like this here, the same thing. App initializer here. These things I will be explaining. Don't worry. Right. So this is the you have to import the exception, right? First you have to write a pair and you have to. This is the main method of the fxml, right? This is a main method. Okay. If you create the app initializer, there is a main method. It will be created. Inside the main method, you have to write parent. You have to create the parent object. Fxml loader load. Get class, get resources. You have to given here where your XML file reside. It reside on inside the package view. Inside the view package, we have a moneyform.xml. It's reside. After we have set the scenes. After that, you have to write the primary stage. You have to pass the scenes. You have to create the title and where we are application will be displayed at the center of the screen. After that, we have to show the form, right? This is simple stuff you have to configure. You don't worry, this is all the source code I provide you. Okay, this simply you have to configure like this, right? So our view is resided where inside the view package slash money form. This is your javafx name, right? Simple. Okay, right. After done the stuff, let's back to my form fxml. Right click. You have to go to generate the open the scenes builder. Right, we have to open the scenes builder. It opened successfully. Now I'm going to go to create the design. So label, you have to create the label on the text search bar. Drag and drop it over here. This name we are given here as notes and coin. Calculation. Calculator. Right. Now here what I'm going to select this one. I'm going to make the simple. You have to increase the font size a little bit bigger. Here I'm going to this one you have to increase it's bold, right? After that, what you are going to do is select this one. You have to font text style. I'm going to change as red. You have to change over here, right? Now looks perfect. Now I'm going to get another label, drag and drop it. This one I'm going to change the label text as salary. Font size I have to give a little bit bigger. Now it's perfect. Now I'm going to change the text color. Text I'm going to change it. Right now this also I'm going to make it as a bold. Style I'll make it as bold. If it is not, we are select the particular label. Then you will be select the style as bold. Then only it will be changed. Right? It will change. Yeah? It is changed. Now I want to bring one text field in order to calculate the amount. You type txt. You bring and drag it over here. Right. Now I need one button. Drag and drop it here. This button I'm going to name it as calculator. Calculator. This one I'm going to little bit bigger. Style I'm going to make it as bold. Very perfect. Now I'm going to decrease the font size little bit small. This one I'm going to right. Now what I'm going to do is you have to select this one and to change this one as a black color. Right, perfect. Now what I'm going to do is we have made the interface perfectly well. Now I'm going to select the text field. I'm going to give the name to identify the text field. So how to give the name? So select this one. For the code section, here this ID, you have to given the ID txt salary to given the ID. Press enter key, then only it will be apply after type the ID. Okay, so here you are in the property window. You have to go to the code window. Then only you will get this ID section. You have to type the particular ID. Right. After that, click event. You have to select the click event button. This button also you have to go to select here the on click method. You have to select btn calculation. btn cal. Press enter key. Okay. Right. So here this is the button event. Okay, you have to select the action event. You have to select here. This only ID you have to given, right? So here also you can give the ID or not. It's not problem. So this is the action event. This is the where you are type on the value. So the value will be identified. You have to what is the ID you are define. Okay, this will be getting this ID is must the txt salary, right? Now the simple design. Now what you are going to do is say file, save, After that, save all the XML and close the window. Now all the design will be imported into your XML file. Now first what you are going to do, this is your salary ID. Select this one, create the field text field. It automatically created on the controller. Now right back to here the view again. Select the btn cal. This is one action. You select here. This method also you have to import into the controller. Perfect. Now what you are going to do is, we have a simple code we have written. Right, it's no problem. This code, I just go here. This is a code, right? I'll be explained. Don't worry. Right, don't worry about that. I'll be explained. Right. So simple code here. First, we have to initialize the variable salary. Integer.parseInt. If it is a salary, we have to convert as an integer. After that, what is the text fix name? We have given txt salary, right? Txt salary, which is a name. Okay, you can check whether the name is correct or not in your XML file. Txt salary here, this one. Okay. So what is the value you type on this text field? It assigned to the variable this salary. After that, we have to create two variables, note and coins. Notes here, what is the salary you are given? If your salaries include the 500, it will be here. It is a modular. It will be calculated how the 500 will be included in your salary. Okay, it will be calculated by the modular sign, right? After that, again, if you have a 1,000, what is the salary you are entered? How many thousands are included in your salary? It will be calculated over here. If your salary has a 500, it will be calculated how many 500 include in your salary. Right? These are the notes. Right? The same like 100. How many 100 included in your salary? Right? Here that task done by the modular operator. Okay, it go how many times? It will be checked. Right? After that, so notes, all the notes are calculated. After that, here it will be calculated the coins. It's a 10 coin, 5 coin, 2 coins, all things. How many 10 coins? Right? How many 5 coins? How many 2 coins? It will be calculated in the salary. How many 1 coins? Right? It will be separated 1 coins. Right. After that, we have to create the, here in javafx, there is no message box. It's an alert message. Okay, so you have to write the alert. Alert is the information. The name of the title is the name of the title. You have to edit text via the result. What's the result you have to produce? After that, alert content text include here. We have to pass all things. How many 5,000 nodes? Okay, 5,000 nodes here. This is a variable. You have to call it here. You have to define the variable already. Here this. How many 1,000 salary, all things. You have to write 5,000. Okay, out of the 1,000. You have to calculate how many 1,000. So 5,000. Okay, here it's in 1,000. How many thousands are there? After that, how many 500 nodes are there? It will be calculated here, one by one. And finally, it will be produced the output like this. This is perfect. Now let's run it again. Select the app initializer, right click. Here you have to write run. Then only it will be coming here. Right, it's building here. Right, it's running. Right, now here if you are type 4,060, 4,560 here. There's no 5,000, 4,000 4 times, 500 1 times, 51 times, and 10 coins. It's working perfectly. Right. I hope you guys understood the things well. This is all the source code I provide you. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can ask me anytime. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.